So these AirPods are fake, but my iPhone thinks they're real. Okay, what? Happy holidays, tech heads. So let's take a look at these fake AirPods and compare them to the real AirPods. And look, just to prove that I'm not messing around, I went ahead and ordered another pair of these things just to show you the most interesting unboxing experience I've ever had. And trust me, it's pretty weird the way these things are hidden.
Hey Blake, ready for our gift exchange?
Gift exchange, right. I just have to wrap it and then we're good to go. So just come back in a bit when I'm done and we'll do this.
Okay.
Oh crap, gift exchange, I forgot. So this is what you get when you order some fake pods. Also, yes, from now on, I'm gonna call these things fake pods just to make it easier to understand. At first, you might think, dang, I got scammed. But as soon as we cut the plastic and open the box, we discover the fake pods are hiding within. Sneaky, sneaky. Now the box is sealed and it looks pretty legit. The front photo is embossed and it looks like a fairly high quality package. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Well, that didn't work. Knife again. Come off. So the packaging experience is very similar to the real AirPods. Also, if you want to get a pair of these things, just wait till the end of the video and I'll show you exactly where you can buy them and how much they are. And trust me, these things are a lot more inexpensive than the real ones. So inside the box, we are welcome with an Apple information packet, but no Apple stickers. First red flag. Next, we have the fake pods wrapped neatly in protective plastic, which we'll come back to. We're also given a nice high quality charging cable, but the cardboard wrapping it seems to be a bit rushed and bent. Not so much Apple style. And more silicone tips, which again, feel great and look great. Alrighty, let's unwrap these bad boys. And immediately they look pretty great. The case feels solid and nice quality plastic. There's an LED indicator and even a lightning port to charge. The earbuds feel fairly snug inside the case. So from a quick glance, these look pretty legit. Compared to the real ones, I can see a little bit of a color difference, but without comparison, they look incredible. But are they good?
Ooh, Blake, you are gonna love your gift.
Yeah, yeah, and you're gonna love yours too. Trust me. I just
You didn't forget, did you?
No. I didn't forget. Trust me. I've just been busy wrapping and doing this video. So why don't you go get some snacks and when I'm done, we'll do this.
Sure. Okay.
Okay, so how are these fooling Apple? Well, the first crazy part is the pairing experience. And Apple's pairing experience for the real AirPods are super simple, and these fake pods are no different. So easy. So when I open the lid of the fake pods, just like real AirPods, my iPhone registers the signal and identifies these as AirPods and allows me to connect them as simply as it should. I can even use the stems of the earbuds to pause and play the songs just like real AirPods. And taking them out of my ears will also pause and play them as well. Look, and I'm no sound buff by any means. I can answer calls and talk to my phone from my fake pods. Even when I dig into the settings of my iPhone, I'm met with all the information included with these fake pods, showing we have fooled my iPhone into believing that they're real. Now, I know what you're thinking. Like, you're just messing with us. They're actually real and you're just pretending they're fake. Well, no. Look, I borrowed my friend's real AirPods just to show you guys the dead giveaways between the real ones and the fake ones and how you can tell them apart.
Blake, are you ready yet?
Nope. Just putting on the finishing touches. I'll be down in a bit. Dang, I really need a gift idea. Okay, so yes, when it comes to looking and comparing both the real AirPods and the fake pods, on the surface, it's very hard to tell the difference. But first, I'll show you some of the minor differences between the two before showing you the dead giveaway. The size is the same, material feels to be the same, and they feel about the same weight in the hand. And the build quality of the fake pods is also quite good. Although I have noticed a minor flex in the fake pods lid compared to the real ones. They both have an LED indicator light that changes from orange when it's a low battery or charging and green when it's full. One difference, however, is the real AirPods have a slightly bigger but definitely brighter LED compared to the fake pods. But without comparison, you'd never notice. Heck, they both even have the ability to wirelessly charge the headphone case, which for fake pods to have is pretty cool. Upon opening up, the first thing I noticed is the magnet that holds the headphones in place are a lot stronger on the real AirPods. However, the fake pods, although a little bit more loose, do seem to stay in the case quite well. I have never worried about them falling out. Now, when comparing earbuds, it's very hard to tell the difference. The only difference is the real AirPods have a nice clean silicone tip, but on the fake pods, you can see a little bit of a ripple in the silicone print. Also, the real AirPods are slightly more grippy on the silicone tips, but I've never had an issue with the fake pods falling out of my ears. Look, I love these fake pods. And honestly, before comparing them to the real ones, I was almost convinced they were real, which is crazy considering the price difference between the two. Like, these are so much more inexpensive than these, and the quality is great. which, just a reminder, I'll show you just how much they are and where you can buy them in just a little bit.
Okay, Blake, I've got the snacks ready. Can we exchange our gifts now?
Yeah, almost. I just need to finish making your Christmas card, and then I'll be down for sure. I promise.
Something's fishy here.
What? No, fishy. No. Listen, bro. Come on. I didn't forget. Just go downstairs, make some hot chocolate. Let's get in the Christmas spirit, and I'm just wrapping up, and then I'll be down, I promise.
Okay.
So before I show you the dead giveaway, let's just compare the sound and functionality a little bit. The fake pods sound fine. They sound full and have great bass. Now, again, I'm no sound buff, but the fact that these things sound so similar in my ears, considering the price difference, the fake pods gotta be doing something right. But here's where things get a little bit interesting. Although the fake pods claim to have transparency mode and noise cancellation, I can't actually toggle them properly. Again, it wasn't until I tried the real AirPods that I realized the fake pods really don't have noise cancellation at all. And the stems of these things are also another small drawback. AirPods use a squeeze function to pause and play the music, answer calls, etc. And they work well. A nice gentle squeeze and they register perfectly. The fake pods, however, very touchy. Literally all it's taken is a slight touch with my finger, or even like it brushes against my ear like this, and they pause and they play, and it's just not a squeeze feature. I've also noticed some connection drops here and there with the fake pods, so they're not perfect. Dang, I just really don't know what I'm gonna get Kevin. I have like no time.
Hot chocolate is ready.
Yeah, be there in a minute. Look, I'm open to suggestions. Please, any ideas, help, comment below. Okay, well, while I'm trying to figure out a gift idea, here's the dead giveaway between the two. So it's actually pretty simple. On the back of the fake pods, the label reads, designed in California, assembled in China. However, the real AirPods are actually designed in California and made in Vietnam. So that's kind of the difference that I found. So, crap. So from a quick glance, these things look identical. However, from a quick read on the back of this, I can tell immediately these are fake. But for only around 50 bucks, give or take, these fake pods look amazing, feel amazing, sound amazing, and are way more inexpensive than real AirPods, which makes them an easy buy and a great gift. That's it, perfect. Okay, I'll give him this. I'll give Kevin these. I just hope he doesn't realize that they're fake, because he might beat me up again, and I'm still bruised from last time. He won't know. He'll never know. Okay, well, here goes. Also, while I do that, if you're looking to get a pair of these yourself, check out the link in the description below. Just keep in mind that the link might change. Sometimes it disappears. There are many different sellers, so read the reviews and order at your own risk.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here's your gift.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. Here's yours, Kev.
Oh, wow. AirPod Pros? You must have spent a fortune.
It's no big deal.
Wait, made in China? These are fakes.
Gotta go.
Get back here. Oh, Blake.
Hey, make sure you check out this video right here of Apple imprisoning me, okay?
Found you.
No!